Mussels are super fast to cook, they're inexpensive, and they are so tasty if you cook them right. These are blue lip mussels. Look how stunning they are. So let's pop them to the side. Before we cook them, we'll get on to this beautiful French style butter. In a food processor, I'm going to add my herbs. You can use all different varieties of herbs. I love tarragon. I love the aniseed flavour of it. So this is quite tender, so the tops I'm just going to pull off and some of the stalk can go in. And for the parsley, I'm going to add most of the tops and a little bit of the stalk. The rest we don't need. Next, some French shallot. It's got a mild onion flavour, so I don't want to add red onions or brown onions for this. We just want really mild flavours. Okay, they can go in. We'll let the food processor do the rest of the work. A clove of garlic, and I'm going to mince that directly into the food processor. The zest of 1 lemon. I don't want the juice of it, we could use that afterwards, but the zest has a more intense flavour, so you're going to zest that directly into our food processor. Next, Dijon mustard, a good amount of Dijon mustard. Some paprika, not smoked paprika, just a classic paprika. Sweet paprika is great. And just to give it some body, some savouriness, some Worcestershire sauce. A hint of salt, and you can see I'm saying a hint because you just want the smallest amount. The mussels are naturally salty, so you don't want to overdo the salt. And some freshly cracked pepper. And I'm just going to finely mince all of these ingredients together before I add the butter. All right, let's have a look at this. This gorgeous butter, full of flavour. It smells fantastic. I wish you could smell this. The tarragon is my favourite herb. It just makes everything taste so good. So we'll just scrape down the blade. We'll pop that in a safe spot. Then we can get onto the mussels. Now I've just been preheating my pan. I've got a large saute pan here. This one's got a ceramic coating, so we've got a lovely even heat distribution, which is what you want when you're cooking mussels. You want them to open all at the same time. And we know how fast mussels cook. You don't want to overcook them, so having a good quality pan for this is essential. So when that's piping hot, in with our mussels, no oil required. We're going to be adding the butter. Okay. Give that a bit of a jiggle, and I'm also going to add a good splash of white wine. Now you want a heavy, good fitting lid to keep all of that beautiful steam in there, and these are going to cook for about 3 to 5 minutes. Once they just start to open, that's when we can add the butter. All right, I've just been giving them a little jiggle. Let's open that up. Oh, the smell is fantastic. It's going to smell even better now with the addition of this butter. So I'm not adding all of this butter. I'm going to add about half of it. And I always make a big batch of this because it freezes really well. You just have to pop that in some cling film, roll it up into a cylinder and then into the freezer. Not only fantastic with mussels, but also great with steak or chicken. I'm just going to mix in this butter. And we just want it to coat each of these beautiful mussels. I have turned the heat down now because I don't want those mussels to overcook. And just by giving that a jiggle, you'll see all that butter melt into there, creating the most perfect sauce. Right, I'm happy with that. Heat can go off and we can plate up. So a generous amount of these mussels. And there's 2 ways of serving this. You could serve this with some chips, so a big bowl of chips, or some bread. I'm opting for the bread so I can mop up all of these gorgeous buttery juices. Once you're happy with your giant pile of mussels, what I like to do is just completely drench them in this stunning butter. Just pour that over the top. Some bread. I've just toasted the bread and I'm going to cut that in half. And we'll just pop that around there. Can never have enough bread with mussels. Just to really showcase that stunning herb that we've added to that, the tarragon, a few sprigs of tarragon over the top. Mussels, they are such a great seafood to have at home. I'm gonna have a little taste, this one right here. And because I love that butter so much, I'm gonna go straight back to my pan, scoop it up. That is such a stunning dish, just perfect.